Uh, this shur is a shur on tefillah. We are talking about Tachanun of Mondays and Thursdays, and we are toward the end of it. Once the Rebbe told his Talmud, if you want to say that tzlacha in your life, and he went in Ashrei, it was mechaven, very great kavanot, and then he sees that nothing happens and there are no changes. He comes to the Rebbe and says, Rebbe, I work very hard and nothing happens. Of course, we can't say something like that, but just to point out something. Rebbe told him that, where did you have kavanah? I said, no, I mean, now listen to the tefillah that this is such a beautiful tefillah. Hakadosh Baruch Hu is the one who opens his hand with tshuva for repentance. Lekabel poshim, to accept poshim v'chatam. What does poshia v'chatam mean? Poshia means rebellions. Chatam means the sinners. Chatam, we have really three ways of doing sins. One way is somebody does by shugeg, by mistake. That's called, doesn't remember today's Shabbat, that's a melacha, that's a shugeg, that's accident. Then somebody does it on message, everybody knows that this meat is not kosher and it's it. Somebody is poshia. Poshia means he's rebellious. There are kosher and not kosher. What does he do? He goes after not kosher and doesn't eat the kosher one. So that is pushing. Now, usually pushing, if somebody does something like that, is rebellious against you, even if it comes to ask you mechila, you turn your face, you cannot look at him, you cannot see him. A lot of cases I have like that in the community. People, I don't want to see his face, I don't want to see him. Now here, not only HaKadosh Baruch Hu says, I don't want to see him, Hashem says, I open my arm for him, put my hand for him, to come and to kill him. Now what does it mean, opening hand? Somebody opens his hand and nobody knows about it, nothing. Hashem means to say, Hashem facilitates for him that he should be able to come back, to be able to do tshuva. And that's what Baruch Hu is ready to accept his tshuva. There will never and ever a person should feel that the doors are closed against him. Doors always are open. Baruch Hu's arms is open with love and rachamim. Now a lot of times, who is kosher? There's kosher and not kosher. And it's not kosher. The person would think in his lifetime, when? How? I'm not part of rebellions. I have no rebellions in the house. Maybe sometimes we do sin on purpose. No, this people is also, we say it, this act is also to be kosher and not kosher, to go after not kosher. It's impossible. We don't do that. Let's see, imagine if you go to a gathering. There are two gatherings. Some people are staying and they talk nicely, they're careful. They joke around, they talk, but they're careful with Lashon Hara, Rechilu. There's another gathering that they talk, especially something happened in town, and they're very tempted to hear the news. What is it? The juicy news. Which one do you go to? You go to that crowd, they talk nicely, they know what to say, what not to say. Or a person with tendency would be to go after that crowd that, they are kosher and not kosher. What type of shoe do you choose to go to? Shoe that does everything halacha, they do elevate you, they give you your shamayim, they daven the way that they should. Oh, I just go there contenting myself to get back, to enjoy myself, to talk, to have a nice kiddush, a nice whiskey, Therefore, in other words, they are kosher and not kosher. What do you choose in your life? This is what they find. The person goes a lifetime to a nice shul, nice devar, he elevates himself, becomes part of the Baruch Hu. Somebody goes to a place with whiskey and everything, the children become, they like to drink whiskey and they don't have limitations and they grow up greater and greater in that. Therefore, what you choose is very important. Therefore, here, nevertheless, the Baruch Hu's arms open, accept somebody wants to shoot. Hashem always loves people that are sharp and Baruch Hu, and he would never close the gates on them. So that's very important to know and realize.